CombiTech's headquarters are based in Betzigau in Bavaria. As a medium-sized company, we stand for the art of German engineering in the true sense of the word. Our philosophy combines ingenuity with individual solutions. We offer you project-related solutions in the range of automotive engineering, medicine, electrical engineering, sensor technology, and cable processing. We are specialized in micro-resistance welding, special engineering, contract manufacturing. We also offer seminars for user-related theory and practice in resistance welding. We apply micro-resistance welding to connect the smallest conductive components precisely and reproducibly, so we can help you to manufacture high-quality products at the forefront of technology. Successful cooperation always starts with a personal contact with the customer. We were sponsored by the Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and have had our process patented. This customer is interested in one of our brand new developments, CombiTech Square. The advantage compared with the KWZ-10 system is that you can compact gaplessly. For this, we use our micro-resistance welding systems wherever reliable and resilient electromechanical connections are necessary. CombiTech offers you not only components for welding technology, but also complete special machines. Depending on the number you require, we can produce suitable equipment to ensure the precise connection of your components. Our welding heads are characterized by the highest precision. The patented compacting process permits an absolutely gap-free closing of the electrodes. Our model, CombiTech Square, is predestined for the compacting of strands in the size range from 0.5 to 5 square millimeters. Our customers appreciate the compact and flexible construction, which guarantees user-friendly handling. CombiTech stands for innovation and the spirit of development. With our products, we create solutions for your requirements. For example, the model SZ2030 with cam control for rapid and precise applications. Or the model DK2004 for extra fine applications for connections in the mu range. For example, when welding gold foil onto a Captain core. The model SK2012 is our brilliant space-saving solution and the lightweight in our product family at 432 grams. Our laboratory. This is where development and testing take place. We document for our customers the stable connection values which are important for them. Upon request, you can accompany these tests personally. Possible adjustments to optimize the welding connection are thus incorporated into your development from an early stage. Our systems are produced specially for the customer. In order to be able to guarantee a long life of your welding components, they are professionally serviced and cleaned in our company. What makes CombiTech so successful? Especially for the customer. Due to the company's internal construction department, CombiTech is in a position to adapt its standard products individually to the requirements of its customers. Not only our customers in the automobile industry value our individual solutions. For this customer, the CombiTech Square system will be the right solution. CombiTech aims to a long-term and fair cooperation with its customers and suppliers. This is why we guarantee reliable and long-lasting products. The compacting tool KWZ-10 is a further result of our innovative technology. This system is characterized by its flexible areas of application. Perfect compacting of multiple strands in the range from 0.25 square millimeters to 8 square millimeters is feasible without restrictions. The precise positioning guarantees a reproducible processing of your cable ends. In addition, CombiTech offers its customers reliable and rapid contract manufacturing for small series up to pre-series quantities. The implementation is carried out by our own highly trained employees. CombiTech does not only stand for innovative technical development at the highest level. PrimeTech is the art of German engineering in the true sense of the word.